Welcome to chess.com. Today, we're diving into how to play with friends using this fantastic platform filled with features designed for an enjoyable chess experience. First things first, if you don't have an account, sign up. It's quick and easy. Just click on Sign Up and follow the prompts. Now, let's find your friends. Use the Friends tab to search for their usernames, send them invites, and start building your chess community. Ready to play? Chess.com offers a variety of game modes, including Bullet for quick matches and Daily Chess for more strategic play. You can challenge your friends directly by clicking the Play feature. Just select a friend, choose the game mode, and send that challenge. What's your style? Live games are fast-paced, while correspondence games allow for thoughtful planning at your convenience. Don't forget to customize your game settings. Adjust the time controls and choose a board theme that suits your mood. Stay connected with your friends. Use the chat feature with emojis to add some fun to your matches. Track your progress by viewing your game history. Analyze your moves and learn from each match. To enhance your online chess experience, keep playing, stay social, and remember to have fun with your friends on chess.com.